Hey guys, today I'm going to do a quick little crafting video. This is something that I needed to know this past week and I couldn't remember how to do it, so I had to look it up, and I thought, why not just make a quick video on it? That way all you guys will know how to do it, and if I ever need to remember it, I can just go back to my video. So I'm going to show you how to do a magic circle when you're crocheting. I've got my crochet hook here. Size isn't going to really matter right now, just for showing you guys this, but just my yarn and my crochet hook, doesn't matter the size or anything. First thing you want to do is make sure you have a good tail on there, because this is one of the tails that you're going to use when sewing this, whatever you're working on with this magic circle. When you sew it to another item, if you're going to be sewing it to it, make sure you have a good long tail. So you take your two fingers, you just wrap it around and cross it over. So we have the working yarn on top of the tail end. So we're going to put our crochet hook under the tail end, grab the working yarn, bring it under, and then you can pull it off your finger, grab your working yarn and pull a loop through. So it's just like a normal chain there, and now you have a slip knot around this ring. And what's going to happen is when you finish your stitches in this ring and you pull it, it's going to pull it tight. So we'll just go ahead, let me get my tension back. We're going to go ahead and put a few single crochets in here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull some more yarn out. A lot of these projects that I've seen start with 8, so we're going to put 8 in here. That's 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, now that we have 8 stitches in here, we're just going to slowly pull this circle tight, and you can see that makes a ring. So then you just go back in that first stitch, do a little slip knot, pull your yarn through, and there is your ring from your magic circle. And then you can start stitching around. Usually your next row will be 2 single crochets in each row, but it can depend on the project, and so then you can pull that a little bit more to tighten up that circle, and there you go. A nice magic ring right there. Hope that made sense, you guys, and I hope it comes in useful, and I'll talk to you next time.